Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko K420 kit for the automatic 420 series Pemko door bottom. And all that you get with this kit is just the screw package. This is a screw package for the Pemko 420. The 420 is an automatic door bottom that is installed into the bottom inverted channel of a steel door. As a result, there are no end caps. And really all that you would have would be a hole drilled in the edge of the door on the hinge side for the drop-down plunger to project through so that it will make contact with the jamb. This screw, there's only one of these, this flat undercut screw is meant to be installed into the frame, in the rabbet, where that bolt's going to make contact with. If it's a steel frame, you'll probably not install this. If it's a wood frame, you'll definitely want to install it because that bolt will gouge that frame and create a divot over time. That's probably a number... Glad it wasn't glass. Probably a number 10 head with a flat undercut profile to it. So you'd countersink that, pre-drill the hole, and screw it in. Then all you're going to get are some probably number 6 sheet metal screws to attach the 420 directly to the bottom inverted channel. And that's all that this is. There's nothing else to it. If you had something like a 411, the kit that you would get for a 411, which would be a mortise style wood door type, is going to be the type that's going to require end caps. So you'll get the nails to apply the end caps, etc. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Pemko part number kit for the part number K420, the screw package for the number 420 automatic door bottom, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.